Hey guys, so I wanted to have a little bit of a chit chat with you all about hair and keto. I'm struggling a little bit with hair. I feel like I am losing a ton of hair. And I know that I was losing hair before keto, and I think my doctor kind of, he's like, oh, you could go on Rogaine or those kinds of things. And I really don't want to. I really don't want to have to use a product that I'm not comfortable with. I feel like Rogaine is very chemical, and I'm not really into the whole like chemical type thing that I have to put in my hair. I use Lush shampoo bars. They're very natural, and I don't always dry my hair with a blow dryer, although this time I did, just to see if I could get a different result. But like, my hair at the top is thinning, you can see. And yeah, like, I don't know, I'm kind of frustrated with my hair. So I take collagen once in a while. I don't do it every day, simply because I feel like when I take the collagen that I'm not really fasting, because I do take it in my morning coffee or morning drink or that kind of stuff. So I kind of feel like I'm breaking my fast when I take the collagen, just because it does have protein in it and it does have all that. So I guess I could switch to taking it in the evening. But I'm wondering if anybody else is doing anything else. I've also decided to start taking biotin. That I'm just taking in pill form though. Is there a collagen that's pill form? Does it work as good? I don't know. Does anybody have the experience with it in pill form? If you do, please leave a comment below, because I really would like some advice about what I can do about my hair. My fingernails, however, are growing like weeds. I have to cut them all the time, otherwise they snap off. Same with my toenails. My toenails are growing like weeds. But my hair, I don't think it's growing. I don't know if it's growing. Maybe I'm growing new stuff and all the old stuff is falling out. I don't know. But I feel like I am losing a ton of hair, and it's worrying. And so anyways, I wanted to find out from you guys what you're doing for your hair, if you're having issues with your hair, that kind of stuff. So please leave me a comment below, and maybe we can learn from each other and figure this out. So I just wanted to do a quick little video about hair, and maybe we can get some answers. Thanks for watching.